Felicia Loves, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome, welcome. If you're an existing subscriber, welcome back. So glad that you came back to visit me. As you can tell by the title, this is my top 5 Halloween items. Okay, and this is a collab video. So I'm collaborating with one of my besties, Lynett, and Shorty Tam, and NaTasha, and it's Tish Time, and it's MellJustSimple, and I am super excited to be collabing with these ladies. Y'all should already know them. You should already be subscribed to them. If you are not, what are you doing? Where you been? Go to their channels, check out their top 5. And you know I love butterflies. Leave a little butterfly saying that I sent you over that way. I'm so excited, so excited. Now, there is a story time in this top 5 because y'all know F in Felicia is for fabulousness. And had this been Easter, Christmas, 4th of July, I would have tons and tons of limited edition fabulousness. But since I've only been collecting Rae Dunn for Halloween, just starting last year, and let me tell you, Halloween is one of the hardest items. They have the hardest items to find when you're hunting, okay? So, with that being said, you're not gonna see no trick-or-treat canisters, okay? Because if I had them, I would show them. You're not going to see any candy corns. You're not going to see any of that. But I still have some good stuff. So stay tuned and let's go. This one is going to require a story time. Okay, so you can understand where I'm coming from. Years and years ago, when my kids were little, I decorated for Halloween. Y'all, I put spider webs, all kind of stuff out, okay? I did this. I was into it. I was into it. So I also bought this little thing that you plug in that laughed. Like, it was a little jack-o'-lantern thing, and it made noise every time you walked by it, and it laughed or whatever, what have you, whatnot. And at the time we had a upstairs and a downstairs because our house was a little bigger. So I decorated the house. The kids were little. Matter of fact, I didn't even have my son. I just had my 2 girls. So me and the girls were there, and my husband worked nights. So at night, he'd be gone all night. He'd come home in the morning. So I had to decorate the house before he left for work. And he's like, you're gonna put all this stuff up? I'm like, yeah, it's gonna be cute. So I did all my decorating. Was cute. Cute. So later on that night, started unplugging stuff, making sure stuff was turned off before I went to bed. And I went up to go check on the girls, and let me rewind. So I would walk by this thing and it kept making a noise, the laughing noise. And you know, after a while it kind of get on your nerves. So I was like, okay, let me unplug this. So I unplugged it. Then I went through later on that night and started cutting things off and putting the girls to bed. Went upstairs, put the girls to bed, was talking to them, laughing to them, and then I heard that laughing noise. And I was like, did not unplug that. Heard the laughing noise. Went downstairs. Y'all, I promise you, the thing was unplugged. It was laughing on its own. It didn't have batteries. Whew, Lord Jesus. So, just a lot of weird stuff started happening. And at that point, that morning, by the time my husband got home, all that Halloween stuff was packed up and sitting at the front door. I was not having it. So I hadn't been celebrating or decorating for Halloween since. Okay? Let's fast forward to 2019. My Dunn buddies were collecting Halloween, and for Rae Dunn, Halloween is a big deal. So I said, okay, you know, I might give it a chance. So I did start collecting for Halloween. I don't have a big collection. I don't have a scary collection. I don't have a spooky collection, but I have a teeny tiny collection. And I'm just gonna share with you my top 5 Rae Dunn items. We're gonna start with number 5. Which is my toxic mug, which I love this mug. It is one of my first Halloween mugs. Like I said, I just started collecting. Next would be my spooky mug. I just love the color. Isn't it super cute? So I love this mug. Spooky. Number 3 would be my Treats pumpkin. Isn't he cute? I was looking for Boo, but I couldn't find it, but I think he's cute. Number 2 is my magical mug that my Dunn buddy gave me. Isn't it super cute? I love it. It's purple. I love the color. I told her that I was looking for this and she found it and picked this up for me. So I do love this one. My number 1 Halloween item is Happy Halloween. This was gifted to me by my Dunn buddy Lisa. I love it. Isn't it cute? So this is my first official Halloween canister and I love it. Honorable mentions are things that I do love that I did pick up last year that are Halloween but not Rae Dunn, and it is these. Y'all, I love these candy corns. So for Halloween, I always decorate with candy corn. So anything candy corn, I love. So I love these Joanna Parker candy corn salt and pepper shakers. I think they're super cute. And another honorable mention is this one. Y'all, I picked this up. He's super cute. I love this one. So I'm probably use him every year because he's so basic. I just thought he was so cute. So I did pick him up. So those are my top 5 Halloween items. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and let me know what you think. If you do a happy Halloween video, comment down below. I would love to see it, what your type items were.